Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can listen to the radio with your friends. So go to lobby. It's a little bit better if you do have the premium version. Go to start an activity and select rhythm. Make sure you have authorized everything, but I already did that, so I don't need to do that. Start session. Oops. And then here I'm just going to select what I want to listen to, maybe top hits, or you can even add music. But I don't have the pro feature, so I'm just going to select the top hits one, and it's going to play me a song. You can adjust the audio here. You can pause it. Actually, you can't pause it. Here, as you can see, there's during premium free trial. You can also switch the radio. For instance, you want to listen to hidden gems, switch radio, and it's going to redirect you to that radio, and friends can join you as well. Here, there's also some of these visualizer. I don't know if you can change it. Oh, you can change that, but that is it. Basically, I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!